Okay, I'm just going to use this checklist to show you all a couple of tricks that make things easier when you're using Canva. Let's say for my checklist, I wanted to move everything up or down. Instead of having to select one thing at a time, you just click and drag. No, I'm going to minimize it so I can see everything. So click and drag. It selects everything, and then you can use your arrows or your mouse to move things up and down. And if I want those things to stay together, I can actually group them. So then whenever that is highlighted, those elements stay together. The other thing you can do is change the position. So let's say I want to make sure, I'm going to ungroup this. Let's say I want to make sure that my title is centered. I can position that in the center, and it did move it a little bit to the left. I can also, let's say I wanted one more little bullet, I can just highlight that one and duplicate, and it will duplicate my my selection. When you move it around with the little compass looking thing, that probably has a name that I don't know, you will see lines pop up, and those are your alignment lines. So I know if there is a pink line over there to the left that I'm in line with all of the other boxes. Okay, so those are just a couple of shortcuts you can use when you're creating a graphic design.